The next question, Chris says, what drives you? That's a good question. Um, I just like I like the hustle of it all. It's fun. People play video games. I play Amazon. People try to get high scores on things that don't matter, like a video game. I look at each product as a new video game I just bought from GameStop, and I'm about to get the highest score of anyone possible. I remember when I first found out private label existed, and I was seeing people post all these big numbers, and I felt like forever that my product was never gonna arrive. I couldn't find a product. What do I even, would this one work this right? And it just felt like everyone's making all the money. Everyone's doing all this amazing fun stuff, building brands, launching products, and I'm just watching it go by. And I said, you know what? I go into these different Facebook groups and I ask my questions and nobody will answer me. The day is coming when I'm going to catch all of you, right? I'm going to pass all of you. And that day took a little bit, but I was coming flying, right? And now there's not too many people that I know in a lot of these Facebook groups that are doing it to that level. So I think there is an aspect of it's like a video game and it's like a competition, right? And it's just fun. It's fun. I love the process. If you don't love the process, it's kind of hard. The best basketball players, you'll hear them say, like, I love the game. I have a love for the game, right? Even when I'm not playing, I love watching it. I love being a part of it. I love the game. Well, when it comes to Amazon, that's how I is. I love the game of Amazon. There's a lot of people who love the communities of Amazon. They love, like, the events, the Facebook groups, the chitter chatter here and there, watching the different YouTube channels, commenting, right? They love that aspect. But when it comes to the work and actually getting on Amazon and killing it, they don't love that aspect too much. They'd rather be doing something else. Whereas I've always been the type, here I am out with friends who I enjoy hanging out with, and there is something in me that is calling me and saying, like, Tim, get back to the computer. Let's go kill this game. Let's go kill the game, Tim. And I'm like, no, I'm hanging out with my friends. Quiet voice, right? So that's kind of what drives me in a long answer, right? Next question is Lee. It says, how do you get your product to the front page?